Hey, Tetchick, northern Minnesota. I can't talk real long. I'm snowshoeing to Fargo, North Dakota. I figured if I left today, I could be there by April 5th. Why April 5th? Because I'm speaking at the Avalon Event Center for the Fargo Moorhead HR Association. The theme for the day is the privilege of leading, and then we're going to do a lunchtime presentation on the principles of servant leadership. It's an all-day workshop. It's going to be fantastic. I'm going to be so skinny by the time I get there to see you. You won't even recognize me. So I gotta take off here. Hey, wait, what is? Oh, look at this. It's a half-eaten frozen hot dog. This is fantastic. This is gonna get me to Reamer, Minnesota. Just this will get me to Reamer. Okay, guys, let's go.